Very sorry for the background noise. We've got a typhoon blowing here in Japan. I want to show you how I automatically generate tweets like this. It would take forever, several minutes to do these tweets if I was doing it with anything that didn't let me automate the process. So here's my first startup, Ideas Watch, where the RSS, which I'm going to just use the domain here, it's not a blog, but it's new ideas pages like this one. See how each one has its own unique URL? So I want to share the new ideas to Twitter, and I find that I get a whole lot of interaction on them when they've got these images with the background animations automatically generated. So, RiteBoost Bulk Creator, RSS formula, which has got, here in the source you can see I used the default settings and just gave it the domain, and it took my default enhance, which I changed. What I'm going to use instead of extract images, which is my default, I want to create image GIF from template, and not from any one of my templates, but random, which is all of my Ideas Watch templates with the Ideas Watch logo. So I reload, couple seconds, I've got the latest ideas. I'm just going to do a spot check and see that I don't want to couple them, so I'll select all and I'll deselect this, and I want to share the rest, but I want them to look differently, as you saw here. So what I'll do is everything I want is selected, hit enhance, and I'm doing all of this. The emoji, the auto hashtagging. I'm also appending startup idea and entrepreneurship hashtags. Okay, so here what I'm getting are tweets that are pretty much ready to go. Different styles. I can then modify these, or in this case, I don't like the title. I don't want to share that, so I'll deselect that. And when they're done and they're ready to go, then what I would do is do 2 of each, but shuffle queue. So they'll be going out in different sequence. 2 of each post added to the Ideas Watch Twitter queue. So real fast way to generate a whole lot of posts. Now of course, if I wanted to just do every single new idea from Ideas Watch, I would switch to on and save, and then it's going to do this, and I'm never going to see the posts. They're just going to be enhanced and added to whatever queues I have in here, however many times. Could be 1 of each if I wanted, or more. I could even set the interval rather than just adding to queue. So it just gives you an idea of another thing that you can do with ideas with RiteBoost Bulk Creator. Of course, I also do this with quotes. Hope this helps. And I hope you didn't mind the wind sound too much.